Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter in the medium wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 177 PS. Accompanying this is an automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely metallic paint colour Oyster Silver. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this Crafter comes with a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Helping you park and manoeuvre will also find a set of front parking sensors in the lower portion of the front bumper. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels. The vehicle also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a high-mounted rear-view reversing camera, and this paired with a set of rear parking sensors helps you make every park and manoeuvre with confidence. In the rear bumper we'll also find a built-in step, and this vehicle features the 270-degree hinged rear barn doors. Behind the barn doors we'll find a very spacious load area. It comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, where there are steps and yellow grab handles on the entry points, allowing easy access into the back of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find an armrest on the driver's seat as well as a twin-seater passenger bench. All the seats come finished in a mesh leatherette in a titanium grey and palladium black colour combination. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 10.4-inch infotainment system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as use the App Connect feature, which allows the user to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This also comes with inbuilt navigation as well as a few different settings such as the climate control settings. The van also comes with 2 front heated seats with 3 intensity levels, and once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will display on the colour touchscreen. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find a few buttons as well as a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. There's also a handy drinks holder, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed as well as heated steering wheel along with a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter in the medium wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.